how to download class materials in Google Classroom. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So if you want to download any of your posted materials on your Google Classroom, then you're in the right place. Let's get started. Open up your Classroom and then I'll go to a class where you want to download the material, and then go to the classwork tab and then search for what you want to download. And once you find the file, just tap on it and then it will open up. Now to download it, you'll need to go to the arrow in the top right. Just tap on it and then it will open up to the place where it is uploaded from, and then you can see the three dots in the top right. Tap on it and you can see the download option and you can download it and it will be saved for you. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.